Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I headed to Walgreens and I got this great haul that retails for about $33 for completely free, and I even made $1.02 in the process. Let me show you how. Alright, I feel like I do this deal every other week, but the Old Spice body wash that's regularly priced $8.49 is on sale for $7. Grab 3 of them for $21. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Pay $16 and you're going to get a $5 register reward when you buy 3. So you can use Walgreens cash to pay for it. And then we're going to submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's only a limit of 2 times, so you get $4 back there. Final cost $7 total, or $2.33 each. Now, if you didn't get a chance to do this deal last week, it's still available to you. The Old Spice deodorant, 2 for $13. Grab 3 of them for $19.50. There is a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and then you can submit to Ibotta. And I think it's a limit of 2 this week, though, so you won't get quite the deal you got last week, but still a decent deal. I think this is my favorite deal of the week is the Pantene, just because I have been out of it for so long and haven't found a decent deal. What we want to do is grab 3 of these Pantene that are normally priced $5.99 but on sale for just $5 each. That takes you up to $15. We're going to use a 5 off 3 digital coupon, pay $10 and get a $5 register reward. Final cost is $5 total, or $1.67 each. And of course, if you put this with a booster, you could have a pretty sweet deal, possibly even a freebie or moneymaker. All right, next deal we have has to do with like the Downy. You can either grab this one, you can grab this one, or you can even grab the Unstoppables. They're regularly priced $7.49, on sale for $5.49. Then also grab one of the Bounce for $5.49, regularly priced $7.49. Grab one of the Tide Pods, regularly priced $7.99, going to be on sale for $5.49. And then grab one of the Tide Liquids that's on sale for $5.49, regularly priced $7.99. Now we have $1 off 1 digital coupons for all 4 products. That's going to be $21.96 total minus 4, which is $17.96 out of pocket. We're going to get a $5 register reward when you buy 4 products. Final cost is $12.96, or $3.24 each, and you can use Walgreens cash to pay for this. It's a great stock up time with Walgreens cash. All right, so we have a really great and easy freebie. We're going to grab one of these Crest 3D white toothpastes that's regularly priced $4.99. It's on sale for $4. And then we're going to grab one of these Oral-B toothbrushes that's regularly priced $4.49, but on sale for $3. That's $7 total. And then we have a 2-off coupon for each one. That will be $3 out of pocket, but we're going to get a $4 register reward for buying 2, making this completely free and a $1 moneymaker. Great deal. Next deal here is a really great deal. The Gain Ultra Clean Easy Squeeze, regularly priced $2.99, on sale for just $1.99. We do have $1 off of 2 digital coupon, so you're going to pay $2.98, but you're also going to get a $1 register reward when you buy 2, and the final cost is $1.98 total, or 99 cents each. So really great deal, and throw this in as a filler item too for maybe a booster basket or something like that. So this is a really good one. There's one more deal I wanted to tell you about with the Walgreens gift cards that I didn't get to in store, but I may go back and see if I can pick these up before the end of the week. There is a promotion going on to grab 2 gift cards. They have to be participating gift cards like Cinemark, PlayStation, Taco Bell, Uber, things like that. You want to grab 2 of them. You can buy them as low as $15 each, pay $30 out of pocket, and then get a $10 Walgreens gift card for free. Now, to make sure you do this correctly, grab your 2 gift cards, also grab a Walgreens gift card, ask them to put $10 on that Walgreens gift card, and then when it rings up, it will ring up completely free. This is a really great deal, and it's great for couponers, so make sure you grab your gift cards this week. All right, guys, this is going to be my basket. I do have a 7 back on 22 digital booster that is loaded. Unfortunately, I did not get a paper booster last week, so we can't pair that with this. If you have a paper booster to go with your digital, you may get this an even bigger money maker, but I'm still going to get everything for free, and I'm going to make some money. So the Pantene is $15.5 each. We have $7 between the 2 of the Crest and the Oral-B, and then we have $3.98 for the Gain. That is a total of $25.98. $5 is going to come off for the Pantene, 4, 2 and 2 for the Oral-B and the Crest, and then we have $1 off 2 for the Gain. So that's going to leave us an out-of-pocket of $15.98. But then we're going to get a $5 register reward for the Pantene. We're going to get a $4 register reward for the Crest and Oral-B, and we're going to get a $1 register reward for the Gain. That's going to take us down to $5.98, and with that $7 back on 22 booster, we're going to get this completely free and actually make $1.02. Not a bad deal here for a great haul. I'm getting my favorite shampoo, and we're gaining some free toothpaste and toothbrush, and I love this soap. Now, what you could do is leave out the Gain and just do it with the $22 here and get that $7 back, which obviously make this a bigger money maker, but I really do want to get the Gain this week, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it. All right, so this deal worked out, but it didn't work out like expected. Thank goodness I had a wonderful cashier, but I ended up grabbing everything that you saw in that cart, and the $1 off 1 coupon came off, but the 2 and 2 and then the 5 off 3 did not come off. So I just talked to the cashier, showed her the pictures, and she took off $9 in manufacturer coupons. So I paid $15.98 before tax, so $17.54, and I ended up getting back everything else that I was expecting. So as you can see here, the booster worked. I got $7.50 back in Walgreens cash for the 7 back on 22. And then I got back all 3 of my register rewards, the $4 for the Crest and Oral-B, the $5 for the Pantene, and the $1 for the Gain. So I still got my deal, but I don't know why those coupons didn't come off. Of course, thank goodness I had a cashier that was willing to work with me. If not, all you have to do is call customer service and let them know that those digitals did not come off, and they will fix them for you. But you do have to pay it out of pocket, and you're probably going to get Walgreens cash back instead of having cash in your pocket. And I've got tons of Walgreens cash I need to spend, so I did not want more of it. So thank goodness that cashier was amazing.